when I was nothing but a lad of a boy some time ago, I remember every summer in my home, we had one guy that outstood all of the rest. He was a man that used to come around every day, and this is what he would say. Ooh, watermelon man, with the boogaloo style. Watermelon man. And everybody in the neighborhood would say this. You bring some good watermelons every day. Please make sure you always come my way. Everybody digs watermelon man. Well, as the years grew on and I got older, we used to help him sell watermelon only on Fridays because that was the only day we could get out of school. And every Friday and Saturday, we would go out and help him say this. Ooh, watermelon man. He had me help him say this. Oh, watermelon man.
And we putting it on wax!
Listen, they make your lips go flip-de-flop. The one we sell on this truck show is hot. That's why everybody digs watermelon man. I wonder what the band helped me say one time.
I'm not too sure what they were doing here. There's this little bit of damage. I've still got a bunch of this stuff to remove. You can see, kind of where it was. I think this will buff out fine. No damage on the inside, indicating there's a little bit. So maybe I'll find a bigger issue down here. But I don't know. I'd rather have a few imperfections in the paint than this mess over it. So I'm just going over this with automotive paint reducer and slowly with elbow grease.
Now let me tell ya, watermelon man. That's what I heard 'em saying. Ooh, yeah, you got such good bread and ripe and sweet watermelon. You have 'em on a Thursday, you have 'em on a Friday.
Hey, barkeep.
Miracle Buff.
So it's time to get into the fuel tank. I've been kind of putting it off,
Transcendental procrastination.
but it's actually fairly clean in here. There's lots of oil, no rust. So I think just get her cleaned up, soap and water, and dried out, put it back together, and then a new fuel tap, and we'll get it in. Polish the paint, get it in. Not too shabby. On a rally, the fuel inlet is here, but the fuel tap is way over here.
It has only one design flaw.
See, they don't line up. That's why you need this guy. Sorry, I just love it when I get to use these factory tools.
I tell you, baby. Walking up the big mountain, man. I tell you, baby. Walking up the big mountain, man. I've seen a sign of you. I only heard at you. Walking up the big mountain, man. I've seen a sign of you. I only heard at you. big monkey man. He's not lying, he's not lying. Them a tell me, walking up the big monkey man. He's not lying, he's not lying.
More oil, more. That's not good oil, huh?
He's not lying, he's not lying. Them a tell me, walking up the big monkey man. No, I know that, no, I understand. The turning
It's oozing.
me. No, I know